guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to download GrubHub app. So this app is very amazing and everyone's favorite chains. From this app you can order takeout from your favorite local restaurants, and to explore these features you need to simply download the app. So to do so you need to watch this video till the very end, and let's get into the video. First thing, you need to go to your app store, or if you are an Android user you can simply go to your Play Store and download it very easily. After going to the option App Store, you can see the very first homepage of this app. At the very below there are the various options. You need to click on the option Shares at the bottom right, and choose the option GrubHub. Here you can see the option GrubHub food delivery, and if you are very first to this app, you need to verify yourself from just by double clicking on this side of your device. So you need to click on this arrow button to get this app on a device, and within few seconds or few minutes your app will be downloaded on your device and you can explore this app. So at the meantime, GrubHub makes it easier to choose your next meal with restaurant ratings and reviews, and this app is available in various cities like New York City, Chicago, LA, San Francisco, Boston, Dallas, and many more. So once your app is downloaded, you can simply open and explore the app. There are so many good eats out there, but you obviously deserve the best. So explore this app. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.